Will XAI be testing the $10 levels once again, or is this a ticker which you should be cutting your losses from and walking away from? What's up, trading friends? In today's video, we're going to be discussing XAI, and we're going to be talking about it from three different lenses: the why, the what, the where. As always, in order to anticipate where a stock is headed, we first need to analyze what has caused it to get to where it's at right now, hence the why. Then we're going to be talking about the what, which is going to be a stock analysis. Then we get to the where, which is going to be the chart analysis of XAI. Now, this morning when the stock was sitting at approximately the $13 levels, I came out with this, I told the chat this, okay?
Good morning, gang. So when it comes to VLCN and XIII, VLCN could potentially give us a double top at 30-ish. So if you're getting somewhere around 25 and you can exit at 28, you'll be okay. Now, that is a super, and I mean super risky play, okay? It is a absolute dog shit of a company. Same thing as XIII.
Right now, we ended up not trading XAI at all because people were on the community. And when you look at XAI from the time that I posted that video at approximately 7 a.m., which was sitting at $11, today it ended the day at approximately $4 per share. However, can it give us at least a little bounce to $6, $7, maybe even $10? Like what's going to happen here, right? At what prices should you go ahead and cut your losses if you want to go ahead and cut your losses? So that's exactly what we're going to be answering. Now, let's get breaking it out. So as always, we talk about the why first. Why do we talk about the why? Because we want to understand whether or not the move that we got over here from freaking, $4 to $13, was this justifiable? Because if this was actually justifiable, then the mass selling off is unjustifiable, right? Well, when it comes to the news regarding the company, guys, today, the company announced that 22nd Century Group reveals multiple tobacco brand partnering with 20 Seconds, expanding availability of wilderness and VLN-based reduced nicotine content products. So, no, okay? So pretty much no, right? It doesn't justify it, right? It really does not justify it, right? The stock going from $4 to $13 over a freaking 200% gains play over here, clearly not, right? Clearly this is not a catalyst which is going to be, have the longevity of holding these gains, right? So for that reason, we're going to put the catalyst as okay. Now when it comes to volatility is the name of the game, man. When it comes to 22nd Century, volatility is the name of the game, considering the company has a sub $5 million market cap, right? So, I mean, sub 5 million, that's insane, right? Sub 5 million, we're talking about, a freaking fart could cause the stock to go up. And in fact, the fart did cause the stock to blow up, right? I mean, this is a, we call this a conviction-less catalyst, right? I mean, this it's really nothing. It means nothing, guys. All right. Now, I know some people want to say, "Oh, that was yesterday's news, Sam." But go look at today's news. All right, let's take a look at today's news. Expand state authorization programs to sell VLN partners. Blah, blah, blah. Amazing, wonderful, wow. Doesn't matter. Okay, it means nothing, right? It really means nothing. Right? So for me, when it comes to that, there's that regarding the catalyst. And listen, guys, the catalyst is very important, right? I think that, so many of you guys always make the mistake of just buying things because they're going up, right? And this is the problem with you guys, right? You guys are gambling, right? You guys are just gambling, right? You're looking at stocks going up and you're like, is it going to keep going up? Is it going to keep, okay, well, okay, I'm going to buy it. You don't understand. You think that the odds of things going up is always 50-50. And this is another thing, right? It's a gambler's fallacy. Like, you think that, it's bound to go up. Well, the last 3 stocks I lost. This one it's bound to go up. What? What do you it doesn't work like that. You need to know why the stock is moving. So remember that. Get it tatted on yourself. Write it on your forehead. Do whatever you gotta do. The number one step is understanding why is the stock moving. Why? Why is it moving? Right? Because I'm here to tell you, if something's just going up for no reason, it's going to come down for no reason as well. That's the reality of the matter, right? Now, let's move on to the what. So when it comes to the what, it gets even more embarrassing, right? I get secondhand embarrassment for the people that bought the stock, right? So what I'm about to show you guys, these are the numbers, right? These are the numbers based off of their most recent SEC filing. So the company right now has negative $2.8 million worth of cash. Okay, actually, never mind. They have $2.8 million worth of cash. Okay, they're burning $2.98 million, $3 million every quarter, leaving them with almost 3 months of cash left on. So the company's broke, all right? This is a broke-ass company. I'm going to put it as bad, right? Now, next thing we want to look at is going to be their institutional ownership, 2.2%. Dog shit. Short interest. Let's see what the shorts have been doing when it comes to, is Ortex still down? Ortex was actually down today. Xxii. Okay, it's not down. Past 7 days, the short is up 65%. That's not a good look. Okay, I don't know who needs to hear this. When short interest goes up, that's not good. That means that the shorts believe that the stock is expensive and they're forcing it down. Okay, that's what that means. Now, there's that. Now, let's talk about dilution. Okay, which is exactly what happened today. You see this mass selling off over here, right? You see this mass selling off over here. This is the company going ahead and turning on their machines and adding shares to the supply. Right? Why? Because the company has no money. So what's the company going to do? The company's going to cash in warrants. The company's going to go ahead and raise funds, right? A lot of these companies, what they do, guys, is that they use their stock as a kind of like a ATM, right? They're just looking to get money out of it, get money out of it, get money out of it. And that's exactly what we see over here when it comes to Xxii. And if you look at the history of the sticker, pump dump, 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 pump dump. This is the type of shit you guys are buying. This is the type of shit you guys are buying and you're wondering why you're red. Pump dump, pump dump, pump. Like, bro, why was this ticker? Tell me this, okay? Why was this ticker? Let's go to an earlier time. Last year, why was this ticker worth $3,000 per share? Spoiler alert, it was never worth $3,000 per share. What happened is that they sold off, they had a reverse split, they sold off, they had a reverse split, they sold off, they had a reverse split. So these are reverse split adjusted pricing. Since then, they had a 1/435 and a 1/423 reverse split. I mean, what am I gonna say to you guys, right? Other than, I mean, look, it's okay, right? Because you guys are beginner traders, and I understand when I was a beginner trader, I also made a lot of mistakes, right? And that's why behind me it says don't quit. Why does it say don't quit? Because 90% of traders, this is what I believe. I believe 90% of traders are not unprofitable. 90% of traders just quit before they become profitable, right? And when you think about it statistically, how many people, think about the red you're seeing in your portfolio right now, right? When it comes to Xxii, if you're holding, or maybe if you cut your losses, hopefully you cut your losses, right? Think about the red you're seeing. How many people have the balls and have the heart to come back next week and trade again? And how many people just quit? How many people throw in the towel, this is not for me. This is not for me. Trading's a scam. Nobody makes money trading. It's fake. It's not for me. I just can't do it. I just can't do it. That's it. I mean, look. I've been trading for 8 years, okay? I have an 82% win rate, right? 82%, this is 500 trades later, all right? You know, this is what majority of people that show you their win-loss ratio do, okay? This is what they do. They select a month, and they go, look, I have a 90% win rate. Nice, bro. You have 90% win rate 10% of the time. That's not what I'm showing. I'm showing you my whole trading. Okay, 500 trades later, month of July, no red days yet. Month of June, actually today was a red day. I just haven't updated yet. Month of June, 1 red day. Month of May, 3 red days. Month of April, no red days. Month of March, 1 red day. The Blues are break even, right? Like, I know what I'm talking about, and I still lose. Losing is part of trading. 80% win rate, that means 20% of the times I'm wrong. 20% of the times I'm wrong. There are 250 trading days. 250 trading days out of a year, 20% I'm wrong. That's 50 days that even I'm losing money. So losing is part of trading, right? Losing is part of trading. Now let's talk about dilution. So when it comes to dilution, and this information all over here, okay, historically it's massive. Their overhead supply is massive, and they're broke. Yeah, they were diluting today. Okay, so for me, can Xxii recover? Absolutely the fuck not. Okay, can it give us a little dead cat bounce to potentially the $6 level? Can it test $6? Maybe 530. It can test 530 maybe. I see it testing 530. The highest it can get is 660. It's not getting above 8. Okay? I'm sorry guys, it's not getting above 8. Now remember, what I'm saying right now is based off of the news that we have right now, based off of the information that we have right now. I'm telling you this, okay? So don't come to me reckless next month or next year when the company's cured cancer and their stock gives it a little pump again and say, oh, look, you were wrong. You were wrong. Like, bro, what are you talking about? How am I, like, I'm telling you what we're seeing right now. And based on what I'm seeing right now, you're way better off cutting your losses and walking away from it at approximately the $5 levels, 520-ish, than holding on to it and holding on to this and getting stuck, okay? That's my take. Now listen, if you're tired of losing, I have good news for you. You guys can come trade alongside me every single day, receive alerts like this. Like, look, we bought Wind today. We made a killing on Wind. We bought VLCN. Like I said, I gave you guys a VLCN alert. Our community has over 400 members coming back month after month. We offer a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. We have day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts. Give it a shot, okay? Give it a shot. It comes with a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. And yeah, and also one more thing. Right now, the next 10 people that join, they get access to it for a 50% discount as well. So check it out, man. Check it out. We've been absolutely kicking ass. Lena brought in 7K past week. B-Talk today. B-Talk, our day trade, killed it there today. Lucid swing trade, we made a killing on that. Maybe pause it. I just want to say I started with Sam 5 weeks ago with approximately $400 supermarket. About it, but here's killing it. Killing it. That's what we're talking about. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Happy listening trading. I look forward to meeting you all at CS Traders in Top Trade Academy. The one thing I can promise you is the 7-day free trial is worth it because it's literally free. I would never suggest you guys do something that I wouldn't do. I would personally try the 7-day free trial at least. Okay, that's it. Anyways, thank you for watching. Happy listening trading. Your boy Sam from Top Trade Academy.